How to disable lobby music in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can disable or turn off the lobby music while in Fortnite. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna need to do is simply click onto a profile picture at the top right corner. Now once you're done with this, click onto the settings gear icon right here. Now this will lead you to the Fortnite settings of your account. And from here, you can click onto the second option, that is the audio. Now here you can see under the volume all of the different voice and music settings. So from here you can see the lobby music. As you can see, it is currently set to 100% default. So if you want to disable it, you can simply drag it down to 0%. And once you're done with this, click onto this apply button, or you can also press the A key. And now you're all set. And now you will not receive or hear any music while you are in the Fortnite lobby. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.